Hi guys, welcome to the mechanical world. Those who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and like or dislike whatever it may be. You have to watch the video regularly. What are the videos I am uploading regarding about your inspection technologies, inspection methods and mechanical related videos I have to upload in my channel. Okay. In this session I have to discuss mainly how to get the Saudi Aramco approval as a welding inspector. It's very tough interview. Nowadays there will be CBT, there is computer based test is there. We have to pass in this computer based test, then only we have to attend the Saudi Aramco PID, Project Inspection Department. Guy will take the interview. 3-4 guys will be interviewing our performance, and according to the performance only they will give the approval of status 1 or status 2 or status 3, whatever it may be. Status 1 we will get means what are the project you are going to work, that full project, that is validity. You have the validity. So if status 2 means it is a conditional approval, it will be valid for 3 months. Then we have to resubmit your CV as per your site performance condition. They are noted, they are all noted by the PID. Come to the site and how you are performing in the site, how you performing the inspection activities. As per the inspection activities only, they will ask some questions. They will test your knowledge. Then they will give another after 3 months they will give conditional approval or status 1 for permanent approval, whatever. Okay. Then basically for attending the interview we should have the proper knowledge regarding about this Saudi Aramco standards and Saudi Aramco procedures, whatever it is. Okay. The basic Saudi Aramco procedure standards are for piping. As a welding inspector we should know size W11, that means on-plot piping standard, Saudi Aramco engineering standard, size W11, and the size W12 it's for pipeline. Then SAIP, that is Saudi Aramco engineering procedure 324, that is certificate review and registration for the project welders and braces. That is that procedure you have to go through it. Then size A for PMI, positive metal identification is there. Then we have to go through some schedule Q also. For the QC supervisor posting you should have the more knowledge regarding about the schedule Q, but as a welding inspector we should have enough knowledge, no issue about schedule Q. Then for the interview I got the Aramco approval, so I share some knowledge in my interview. Some 3 guys will be sitting in front of you. One guy will ask regarding about the Saudi Aramco standards, Saudi Aramco typical inspection plans, Saudi Aramco procedures, they will ask. And another guy will ask that is a international standard, ASME section 9 B31.3, they will ask. And another guy will ask the practical questions regarding about this welding inspector for the regular normal conditions for the inspection activities. What are the inspection activities he will ask. Like this, the 3 different ways they are asking, like a bullet questions. You have to answer for every questions. Don't feel hesitation or any fear. You have to tell the answer, whatever it in your mind, you have to tell the answer. You have not to be keep silent. Okay, whatever answer you know you have to share. Okay, it will be mainly you are giving some questions with the wrong answer, it will be they will note. Okay, that will be not issue. you have to perform your side with more and more. You have to confidence. I will get the Saudi Aramco approval. That is the main thing. That in your mind, keep it in mind. And before the interview, we have to prepare well. The group discussion, some of the welding inspectors, 4 or 5 guys will be sitting and make discussion, more and more discussion. We have to discuss about this Saudi Aramco standards, ASM section 9. ASM section 9, they are not asking the full pages. The main WKT, PQR, essential variable for PQR, what are the essential variable for the welders, they will ask mainly. Okay, I already published one book in Amazon regarding about this. The book name is Reference Book for Welding Inspector. It's Amazon, you will get. I will attach this cover page in this video. Just go through it and get some knowledge. In this book I include some questions they are asking in the Saudi Aramco interview. Questions are there, so any doubt you have to ask me. Make comfort, and we have to go through this standards and make it your own Saudi Aramco approval. If you get one time, means it will be more and more valuable in Saudi Arabia, not in Saudi Arabia, everywhere in the world. The Saudi Aramco company is the world #1 company. All of you know that. If you get the approval, it's very valuable. All the best.